Hi friends, I would like to invite you to the upcoming lecture called 7.5 Children's Character and How to Raise a Child from 0 to 18 years of age. Because how you raise a child from 0 to 5 is completely different how you will raise them from 5 to 14 or 14 and up. And also, what are their characters? Because each child has a different character and you need to know what their character is because it's very connected to their purpose in life. And so when you know your child's character, when you know how to raise them, when you know how to make them happy, what their strength, what their weakness, you feel fulfilled, you feel happy. Because when your children is happy, let's be honest with ourselves, you are happy. Besides being a counselor, relationship expert, and spiritual lecturer and counselor, I'm a mom. I have a 7-year-old, and knowing my 7-year-old character and knowing how to raise him, it's a truly fulfilling job because I don't feel like I'm doing anything wrong. Of course, he's my greatest teacher, but at the same time, I feel very connected to him. My husband feels very connected to him, and we clearly understand how to raise him, how to make him happy, how to educate him, how to talk to him, where he's pushing our buttons and when we're pushing his buttons. So I invite you, be there next Saturday, April 9th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you can, please donate $35 to the cause. And all of the money gonna go to Ukrainian refugees in Europe, in Estonia and Poland. Wherever you can. I'm greatly appreciate that because a lot of refugees need our help right now. With that said, I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.